So this is my interactive whiteboard mini lesson, and it's on the different coverings that animals have. So this first page here has what covering do I have as the title, and then it has these pictures, and these pictures are grouped together and then locked. And the background, as you can see, is a picture that I found and then uploaded. And I don't have a theme in my lesson, except for maybe the fact that it's green, but on each page there's a new picture that I've uploaded as a background. So this is the next page that I have. It says animals have different coverings. What do these coverings feel like? So on this page we'd kind of talk about the different coverings and activate students' prior knowledge on it. And something that I thought would be fun for this page is I could pick students to come up and they could move around this magnifying glass. So if they wanted to talk about fur, they could come up and put the magnifying glass on fur. Or if they wanted to put it on feathers, they could put it on feathers. I just think that would make it a little more interactive and fun for them and help keep them focused on the covering that we're talking about. This next page says let's learn more, and if you click on this cow, it'll take you to a YouTube video. Let's just skip over this really quick. It'll take you to a YouTube video about different animal coverings. So this girl kind of goes over, you can see down at the bottom it says what animals wear. So the cow just takes you to that video. So that's the link that I have, and I attached the link to the cow, and then that's also the video that I included. So this next page is fun, and it is kind of a way to assess students' learning. So now at the bottom there's all these different animals, and students will be asked to come up to the board and move the animals into the correct categories based on the covering that they have. So just like this, you can come up and sort them, which is fun and interactive. Then this last page, this is the shape that I drew and then locked it onto this page. And this is another page associated with assessment. So it just says stop and think, and then these two questions, students can pick one and answer it on an exit ticket. So I'll be able to assess their learning on what they learned throughout our lesson.